and all. I don't think whether the woman will look outside though.
Exactly. I know. That make me talk. Say the distance when the two of them get is too much. You understand?
Distance, not the any distance marriage and relation. It not the last now.
It not the last. See, there will be a time when Biseko will day. Now you got to find pillow when you want the hug. You understand? And you know as a abroad could be now. All the hug anything huggable. You understand? So imagine the man they house now. The man go get babe, but the woman no say go get babe. You go the babe. You understand? So that kind of distance relationship, good. For me, I don't see anything love between them. But for the man, the woman, the officer, I understand. We understand ourselves. This is not foolishness for marriage. You understand? This is a way of the both of them. In fact, what that they do is against anything where represent marriage as a traditional, as Africa man and Africa woman where they be. You understand? So it's not good. So for me, as for that man, so if you know, say distance relationship, guy be, because even the man join with people disgrace for your wife body. What you they do for Nigeria when your wife they abroad? If you not date together in a battle.
I they say the man a politician. I don't know whether not true too.
Okay. Maybe the woman they do clock it. Maybe they never even marry herself. Una see the marriage.
But you don't born for the man, huh?
Now everybody, now every man when woman born for now be husband.
But don't use the man talk and say. But the woman use the man talk and say is a married woman. That is he go
I bet some women, any man when they born for now their husband, you never know. Any man when they born for now their husband, if you ask, they said of the same my baby father, say my husband. Now the man go call later tell you I never put money for yet. Where you gonna know? They do. There are many because the way the woman tell they do, my man tell me say I not just say that woman a married woman. Now let you want know the secret. That's why she feel unbothered. You understand? You go say anything one like when I talk. Now me know myself. You understand? So and because I don't see why if she don't true marry, I don't see why the thing not bother her. I don't see why she not feel remorse. You understand? She not feel bad about it. Because maybe with the man they never marry you. Now boy, you they call her my husband. That's what they do. Because the one we call it Enogie say I'll born picking for you. Now woman when don't marry with that. If you come born for Enogie, you want to your husband.
As a Benedict talk and just now make Enogie and a wife. If now 1 week, make they use and things.
Exactly. They don't need all this saga.
Make them real talk. Serious.
The woman
talk.
not rich. Not rich. What they call the tear body for. Woman when disgrace herself but to smile, it okay. Now me want call the sharks on top of her.
Enogie go tell the wife wetin make her they do all these things. You know,
exactly.
You have tell her wetin they make her they do all these things. So they need to understand.
They need serious talk.
They need serious talk. If now 1 week make you not enter live video.
They need to talk. Both of them, they really need to talk to each other. Tell each other what they bother them. Tell each other you understand. And number 2, myself, I want to tell if I no get beg. If you want the toast room, I beg. All the people when near your wife, leave them alone. I beg. They make.
They talk like say you don't know some women.
They bring your wife down a lot. They make person when they get more respect for the woman. Say no, look and reach anything. We women we get
goddaughter. Now goddaughter, now he born for 1 month for near my city here.
Now so they say they start now.
Goddaughter don't pursue wife come up for her so.
Now you go later come and say how can a woman snatch a full man?
Don't be wife for her so.
Now goddaughter will come later tell everybody say how can a woman snatch a full grown up man? They not go tell everybody how they take sneak enter. They snatch them. You understand? So, like the one with the year now. Say how can a grown up person snatch a full man? Now so they take start a padomo. Like they take domo there. So never wait till the time how they talk. You understand? I bet see.
Goddaughter just use you know as goddaughter they collect husband so goddaughter if goddaughter just they go you wear one short nightgown. If you see that nightgown, don't go there. You know all those checkere girls. You know. When
all this quarrel so they when go to talk to the man
like this, the breast go just stand like this. You know, you go come wear that short nightgown wey be say you go pass nyash, goddaughter. Uncle come dey use one eye dey look goddaughter.
Now
They
so
use
now.
one eye dey look am. As he start comot for house now, godfather start to dey knack goddaughter. Go see am now, goddaughter don dey house.
Because now that goddaughter, now they settle their matter.
So,
So goddaughter don't know how to enter godfather body. Because you know, yes, once man don't call person my goddaughter, one day, if your wife do waiting, you know, like, when be say, he with your wife supposed to settle one or he carry and go their family. Now, goddaughter, they fair year, and you know. Now, goddaughter go cut us, yeah. This your wife not know what you get to. If I get this kind of person, I go cherish her. It don't they tell the godfather say I'm available. Now, so they tell they start. You understand? Now, so they tell they start.
Beg, my cupboard just spoil. My cupboard spoil. I no fit go repair the cupboard. Beg, come me repair my cupboard for my house.
No, wife must dress like wife.
And you know say pa get wife and children. As a pa just dey come now, sister just wear sexy. As he pass a pa with one nice perfume. Oh, gaga. A pa is scatter.
O spray, on we ve.
He pass am again, pa hair scatter again. And my wife not dey wear this one. My wife not dey put perfume. Before you know now.
May woman they do body for us, so how are we body? Sometimes not wear anything where what bomb we keep here.
See the ghost. He made the ghost.
Of fear. Yes, so sometimes they do body.
Calm down.
Thank you, my sister.
Oh, thank you, my love.
You know, normally, Sha, you know,
Thank you,
for
you try
man
well,
to get goddaughter. What do they use goddaughter do?
When you okay now, you as a wife now, you not get breast. Maybe your breast now don't fall. Goddaughter now, if you see breast, boy, and brother they like big breast. Brother they like big breast. I want settle that matter.
Now so they go now.
Prince, when you talk for this matter, you be man now. Your wife not get big breast, he not get big nyash. And brother they like nyash, they like big breast. I want to say to her, that woman now can't be goddaughter. Okay, wahala dey. Prince, you dey wrong. Una need to settle this matter. Una need to settle this matter. I not see men wey be say they commit to men, no na commit to godfather. Godfather then.
I don't count.
Where you dey go? Goddaughter now carry everything where you want.
That's the way.
And wife fit not get am.
That's the way they talk. Me, I just wait for happen. Like goddaughter now, goddaughter they come. You can't agree manage woman. If they call you back, can't give the woman. The woman don't know some kind of the knock. If goddaughter they come, go back give, can't give her.
That's what they do. You go even wash the woman clothes self.
You go go and play the woman.
You don't know say na co-wife thing I they do so.
Bed down low. Okay. I want to settle this matter now.
Godfather can't carry the girl give another boy. You can't tell the boy and say that my godfather be this one. He and godfather see the fiancé.
Mommy,
Because
I beg,
the
let
godfather
my
does
daughter
say, man,
come
say
see
you
me
now
for
you want me, I
house.
will pass it no away. That one I godfather
Mommy.
where still know himself small. If not, so you can just put her for us too. As they wash cloth for the woman. Now so every time you go the target the time when the woman will take go market, he don't come. Yeah, we do you call collect you go still come out.
Who say?
Now you go take
Supermom.
middle. Only say don't do.
Supermom, you say Supermom, you are a suspect. You Supermom, you are a
Is that this
suspect. I cover our Godfather with the blood of Jesus.
Amen.
Supermom say you need a Godfather. Oh,
It's a need though.
Supermom.
When you want the father.
No godfather, godmother. Don't say godmother, godfather. You know your bill.
Supermom. Hey.
Supermom say any godfather.
Wahala. Eh?
Super must need godfather.
Okay, cool baby say he need godfather. Okay. Prince na godfather. Mona you carry prince. Super mom, you are a suspect. You don't need to call me peace.
Super mom,
No,
we are there far. We are there far.
Prince is a godfather.
No, we are there far.
Wait, cool. You say you need with money. Wait, get money. So, come, cool baby. You be suspect.
Princess JJ.
Eh?
Okay, now but then I tell matter. Enogie not stay away from having Bielekani. I Bielekani wale guy any from Erowa papa Erowa nini. He should stay away from them. He should respect his wife and focus on his family.
Yeah.
Just focus on his career. Because
You know, see many Jennifer Nice. Jennifer Nice, oh, you know see our you know they see they say they need godfather for comment section. You know they see there, they say they need godfather. Now so they follow Prince, so Prince has a godfather now.
Prince they deny they wrong. He say we are
baby say need godfather.
Jennifer, that way you're talking now, me no give me stop and I saw if I go do goddaughter with one girl that time, the saga. That on my Facebook.
You know, yeah, when Jennifer say now say they see Socrates for hotel. Not be me talk am, na Jennifer talk am.
Which hotel?
Okay, cool baby say Prince not get money. Who still be this one? Say he need goddaughter.
No one day here. Go another comment section. You go see go another platform.
No, goddaughter na Jennifer Nice.
Before you carry
no small children not there here now. We want to do goddaughter.
Why use me do goddaughter? Me use me do goddaughter.
Before you get
I don't get godmother. Take us say goddaughter. Wait till it costs that one. Yeah.
Use Jennifer Nice do goddaughter. He said, but you carry a con Europe. You don't see goddaughter for the carry godfather, they call Europe.
Okay, goddaughter will carry godfather, call Europe. Now worry, I'll call goddaughter you for Nigeria. I'll come meet you. You know they call Europe. I'll come meet you for that Nigeria.
I go look the map picture, brother. You not go sell for godfather. You not go sell at all. You not go sell, no? Now bad market.
You know she say no they use Caro White. Now because say it fair. If you not fair, not put body for godfather,
Now bad market.
If you not fair, if you use Caro White, it go burn you now.
And you must get pink lips for godfather.
Let me need the advice. I may go use Caro White so that I may get a lot of goddaughter. Hello, Gary Guesele. Oh, where to agbe?
Everywhere. Masha wo This one teach you lesson Enogie. Look, Mama Nora, forgive her. Mama forgive anywhere you well. Wow.
Forgive her. So
I make an agree.
Piano is
piano. You have to learn how to forgive. Because a marriage in a year, a forgiveness of a million times. So you have to learn. If you are not a woman who knows how to forgive, you can't marry. You have to learn how to forgive.
Yeah.
Because men they are like babies. They can only have a So
only jobless godfather.
You have to learn it.
Godfather.
If you are not ready to be forgiven, that means you are not ready to marry. The same thing goes with a man. You have to forgive your wife every day.
No, one thing that they say, Mama Nora, forgive. But if we women, we just make one slight mistake, you see man will just jump come.
Yes, some men don't forgive.
For our family, a woman not the woman how they do
Depends on where the traditional man depend on the family. Because I don't know, I see the imagine the reason why I come up again because I've been wanting to go relax my brain many years. I want ask some men till they marry women where woman with the husband, you send message to another man, make come suck your bobby. And you see on social media, come they say clock it. My husband understand, clock it.
Then when they no get here via do coin.
We say one quarter of my Nora.
I'm not saying anything.
And when they know, which breast you want give Papa Laura make breast? You don't see Mama Laura breast.
Well, with that gallant, or is a beleboy no give beleboy? Look at last summit.
Ebo no pick the street supermarket. People will go school for UK. They no be dundee like you. Just enter ask Mrs. Clock. You get PhD. Now you go they change
Super mom don't come Super mom is serious Super mom he's in love with Prince he's in love with Prince. Prince
who be Prince? Who be Prince? Who the Prince for you?
See Prince wey do head like Edward.
Prince who copy.
Yeah. Look at your goddaughter. Prince, your goddaughter don't come.
I beg, who want my godfather?
Oh, they run. See, Prince, they run. Prince don't run. He don't back. He don't run.
Please don't fall my hand, though.
Yeah, you did run.
Super mom.
Me, you put camera, move, see whether I saw his head really big.
Where Godfather? Okay, boss they come. Godfather they come.
Okay. Prince don't run.
You know, say don't put emoji of run.
Boss don't come. Boss.
I don't know. I just my I can't take on when I laugh my head.
Okay. See, your Godfather don't come. Boss don't dey here.
I know the Godfather. Yeah, Godfather.
Yeah, you don't say you need Godfather.
Mama.
Hey, please don't fall my hand, though.
Okay, now the priest now use the real account take also. And they follow me they follow each other.
Boss. Boss, I tell you
from Godfather.
How much?
Priest, they Europe now. Priest, they Europe. If you know say you be Godfather, you be man.
I just have this. I don't
think you to mom now. I say like you.
Yeah,
Godfather available.
See two of them don't come. Poor baby.
Prince don't get money. I beg.
If na money you dey find, now one love you.
I don't need love. Now money I dey find.
Love
Oh, you never ready?
I don't understand.
Why you do like this? Why you do like this?
Now who they hungry, they look for money now.
Godfather.
So you go there for you, not be you go they look
Not
for.
be love in one shop.
You never ready to settle down there.
I know the first settle down.
You say you want to settle down. I just say
I know the settle
Okay,
down.
now who cup level? I don't know.
not be hook up. Not be.
I beg. I
relationship
want
to marriage.
Princess C&O. I beg. May I ask you one? Talk one thing.
Ask me.
You say
Yes.
you say goddaughter, the breast make koi for chest. Madam fall like slippers. How you want that one? Now I say make it put foam. Make put foam, make package am where the breast will see stand. Yeah.
I hope your own no stand like this, so may you not collect Godfather.
Like if it stand, I'll put foam for them. I'll take package am.
Thank you.
I'll call you baby oil.
They say that goddaughter wey dey Europe now Prince dey fine oh.
I use baby oil.
Super mommy, where you dey na Nigeria?
Prince Godfather boss cause yes or you call yes or you
No,
you say
Super mommy na Nigeria dey stay oh.
Joke and part, some married women make them learn how to take care of themselves. You understand?
Thank you.
Yes.
When they say man they cheat, man now most women they push their man go they cheat for outside. You understand?
Yes.
No man will be say woman. At least you will be woman. You dey well kept. You dey take care of yourself. You dey smell well. Your husband no get reason to pour for outside now. It go still hard. You understand me? So,
My sister, that
one excuse me.
Queen of the coast.
My sister is still that one is still join. You understand? What make you dey talk? You see, woman go
I disagree with you.
I disagree with you, my sister. You never
get off for money.
You never
have
the
brush,
man
never
with
Even though that you be the queen of England, if man want cheat,
you dey do like
no na wait na.
This girl will go dey toast when they talk about. So the girl is always before she come live video, she go bath. She'll see her face is always good. Do you understand? No matter what they even don't say that.
You look for a person has when one spoil.
The man go still get interest. But you as a wife, you want to do something. You no go fair wash your face. You know, even though say you don't want bath, wash your face. Hammer with a live video, we go and wash your face. It's not good. You understand? Sometimes we married women more see they take care of ourselves. Personal hygiene they very important. The other things still join to make man they flirt for outside, but they not go like to talk. It still join. I know say no, even though say man marry princess or woman wey the most beautiful woman for this life. If you want to cheat, you go cheat. But at least most still they try, see they smell well. And some me still get to talk. I know say everybody still get your opinion.
Thank you. Okay, make I ask my sister Gallant question. Gallant, you not see the way you dey, the way you dey dress, the way they do, not be made they disturb you, not be you they pursue them. Gallant,
I dey hear you.
not be you they pursue me here for TikTok here, say make they leave you alone because they don't look at the way they dress, the way you take day. I lie.
Maybe I think so.
My mama not be so.
If you get one married woman wey be say they pass me here every morning, that woman they smell body odor.
Jesus.
Alala.
You know how many some married women when me don't see? Wait, mama, my sister, you know the bath. Wait, make I dey tell you now. Married woman, you just finish knack. You just finish knack. You're supposed to go back before you go out.
Straight to
carry
toilet.
that sweat. You carry that sweat, wear cloth, put again. You want to go carry pikin go school. You not go bath, you not go do nothing. You don't know say that thing they smell follow the woman.
That one not good, sha. Oh,
now first way they look you, where know the something. I go tell, he go say this woman, man, I cheat.
Okay.
So women dey also
okay,
Sunday, their hair go they smell.
Okay, princess, wait till you call a talk now. Say, all these married men, married women, we don't know how to arrange themselves.
Personally.
If they lead to waiting, make their husband they go outside.
So they join.
He still join, yes.
Okay, what of the ones where they need, when the husband still they go outside?
Okay, what of the one where they need, where they clean?
When the husband still they go outside?
Yes.
See, wait, may I tell you something? See, he get men like waiting good. They hardly they see man where see wait something way good. They say one go for rotting thing. They hardly they see man where see waiting good. Why men they invest on side chick than their wife for house? No, now why men they invest on side chick than their wife for house?
Because wife not the bill. You know
habit.
See, now the way the side chick they no see when you don't see a side chick way ugly when man go see they spend on, not day.
He
Now the
plenty.
packaging of the woman
He
for outside.
plenty. Me
He
don't
not
see
day.
many
Not
men.
if it
Many
they not
men,
reach
their
30%,
wife will
madam.
fair pass their girlfriend.
He not reach
I don't see many
30%.
men.
He not
Their
reach
wife when they put for us
30%.
go fair
He
pass
not
their
reach.
Me, I know
girlfriend.
person where
My
he
sister.
wife,
He not
na
reach
him fine,
30%.
he wife fine, they go
Cool
gym
baby.
after 5
Cool
boys.
baby.
You know, Billy say drop one.
Cool
He
baby.
fine.
Man, when
Ew.
want cheat
But
on
if
his
you see
wife,
person where your husband go
he go
cheat
cheat.
with, you don't know say cheating. Cheating na habit. Na
Na
inside blood the
habit.
day.
Now,
You see this girl now.
see, if you
So
dey
they
date
say-
them, now you
so
take
they
no.
say-
You see this girl now,
From dating, now
this
you
girl
take
now
no.
where they do clocky. They say that's why they do and they go. Now he habit.
Now you
Wait,
have
This
it.
is what he do to Enogie now. That's
See,
why they
one
do and
thing,
to men.
more not yours discriminate this girl like that. So see, you know, say we just a pray, may God not let us get any small, more
Man,
not make
that
any
shall be
small.
discriminate.
Who
They
should
say
be
You
the person
understand?
that
Wait.
If I
want
do husband,
We
I
know
don't like
there,
them.
we
They
know
go come
there.
out.
People
you
go
the
talk.
To divorce
This
massively
one,
hard.
no,
meet
Eh.
now. Now we
this
not
one will
now.
happen
Now
to
Now
this
they
girl
support
too.
now we dey talk
abomination,
and that
so.
problem go dey.
Not be self that they support abomination. No, I want to give my fake or
Me will be single, eh?
This
I no
girl
go,
will come
I
and
no
go.
go, I no go chase man.
Say that so it dey.
Me man like a picture man wetin I
This
chase
girl
you,
don't
eh?
marry.
Eh.
How are you short? You they sure say this girl, she
But
don't
she's
marry.
using her mouth to say she's married.
Now he
I
talk
believe
and say,
they
man,
hear
you say
her.
that your husband say
Come
me
play
can't
her
do live video.
Before you come
You know
to
they
come
see
play her
her.
video.
He say if not my husband, I won't do this
He
life
said,
today.
I will talk to my husband, he will understand.
My husband will understand.
How you
Clock
say no, say
it.
she married.
But
I
you know
gallant,
they wait. You
I'm
know that some people they
okay.
marry.
I
Some
live in
people
the
they do open marriage.
UK.
My sister,
I'm not reason the way you guys are
Wait, may I
reasoning.
tell you, there are some marriage that is open marriage. It will
But-
be between. Yes, it there. You know, fit us. What you not know? You not be say another
Okay.
person. don't
All
know.
this
Cool
Jezik
baby.
marriage.
So you fit do
The
open
man will tell
marriage.
her say you are free to do
Cool
anything
baby,
you want to
calm
do.
down, calm down.
But
The
We know
woman
they
will
have-
still tell her say you are
calm
free to
down,
do anything you want to do. He
Are you
did.
serious?
Cool baby, I
Yes,
want
he
ask you
did. I
question.
don't
Cool
care.
baby.
Men, una
Cool
dey
baby.
hear?
Yeah, now.
He
So-
did.
Men, una dey
Open
hear?
marriage dey.
The woman dey
Yeah,
into
now.
open marriage. Then the open marriage when he can't dey na to come do the
Go
open
the
marriage or
clock
is that
it,
another
they go.
person?
Go the clock
E
it.
get the way
Na
marriage
fuck-
come be
me,
now.
I'm not in the position to judge any of them. Enogie,
Jennifer, not be the kind marriage where we go, not be all these people there.
Jennifer,
I
now they don't know where
Na-
they
na-
pursue each
na
other. You
different
understand? That one not be
thing. Now
like
we
their
dey see
own
for this
problem. Me, I
social
know they
media.
judge person matter. Now their own problem, you be that one. The
Eh,
one
but
wey
we
me
dey here,
just
my
say
sister, we dey here to
now
judge
the
the
one wey
matter.
princess
If
dey
you not
talk.
dey here
Now
to
see,
judge the
we
matter,
need
make
When
you
see
move on.
if
princess so me and Jennifer not be your platform. You not be tell me I comot.
We dey here because of the matter. We dey judge the matter.
Princess,
Yes, the matter.
Everybody get in your own opinion. Now the girl opinion be this, so now opinion be that one. Now the girl opinion be this.
No,
Make she
I
still
don't
talk. Everybody get in your own now.
If you want talk, my sister, open your own. You
Eh?
talk your own.
Wait, or when you not
Princess,
dey
No,
when
it's
you dey
okay, it's
talk
okay. Cool baby,
your
abeg,
talk
na
is
my
when you dey
sister.
joke for you. Now
Cool
you
baby.
carry me, now motivate
Cool
me
baby.
for you. Not be all this one. Not
I
get issue with
understand.
anybody. I can never have issue with you because you not
we
concern
not
me,
get
concern you, not
any
concern me,
issue. For
concern
na
them.
the
Now their
matter we
problem.
dey
Eh.
judge.
You understand?
Yeah,
When they
yeah.
started the whole thing, we were not there. If they switch, then
yeah.
they continue, then they can't stay that stage where they reach. So it not good, it not come good for them. Then they can't, that quarrel take come and then they carry themselves out. It not concern me. You
It's
understand?
okay,
You
it's
want
okay.
them to then that your
In
job
Winere
back.
na this one na in Winere
That your
association.
job back.
Eh,
We
Winere,
dey
why
like
we
it.
agree
The
yo?
breast make
In Winere maje. Kere ya tell me Winere.
Yeah, it make me laugh. That's
Don't
why
worry.
I'm here.
Minister,
You understand,
come
princess?
carry goddaughter. Minister, abeg, come carry
She don't call
goddaughter.
down. Goddaughter not there
Eh-heh.
again.
No, goddaughter still there. Cool
Which
baby
one?
na still one of the goddaughter. Abeg,
Okay,
come
cool
carry
baby.
minister
Jennifer, now
come.
you fit
Godfather.
goddaughter. If you see me, I know fit carry.
Mona
I
carry
supposed to carry
minister
godmother
come
for
o.
person. Men wey goddaughter no, they don't
Owa
fit carry
Wiki.
me as goddaughter.
Owa wuko. Ije.
I don't understand. You really like, I don't get that for a minute. My own battle, my own life now, your face.
So you say me prime minister come carry cool baby.
Now me your day after.
Cool baby wait talk say.
Oh, what is your result? You're suffering.
Cool baby wait talk say that girl where they clock it say she's right. I babe, a prime minister wa. Avec Gen Z marriage in Amiena, Ikebe man wow. Let's call a spade a spade. That if you know you are married, the rules of a single, not you are in husband house, living with a man.
You just say your husband thing not dey okay for you.
If you not say not strong again.
Step out.
If you not say now go therapy or go find solution. If you know married women again, because I dey see the way they really they gift married women for this TikTok. We were single, they know they gift all like that. Did you find out like they know they gift us like that because we know they reply DM.
Mona, sorry, because they are clocking it.
Why they reply?
Please, let the married women take the gift because it's good to clock it.
It's good to clock it. I love it.
Mother clock it or rubber not
married women now it can't easy pass single mother before they see our lap. Now today you go here where you want to see me juju or what you want buy for me. Me no go block on. If you write too much, say they disturb me, I'll block it.
You're the friend one boy. You know, come on there. You're dead there.
Yeah.
Talk about say marriage. It be marriage and boyfriend and girlfriend. There's a big difference.
How come they pretend for us for a year?
Hey.
I'm married. See query gene yo bo. I will no mama €5 ring.
Minister, how you dey?
Mama, good evening. No, good evening.
I greet you, my brother. I say make you come carry goddaughter or two goddaughter. They need a godfather.
And I'm going to coffee godfather then. No.
They need godfather now.
They need godfather now. Say make you come carry one. Cool.
Pay for saying need a wife.
Mom.
Carry super mama, be super mom. You need a wife.
No.
Now you go choose. Now you go choose.
No, the best way they comment section they talk.
This topic, all those things where they happen now, they talk about this married women. And not before, not they believe say all those countries they happen say married women they. Because if I just see married women before, they believe say all married women are before say they are just innocent, they are just calm because I know you're that saying be that country they happen before. But recently now, waiting people call the scene now, couple I say they don't trust many of them again. Before Uma just tell me say she don't marry like this, if I know so my don't marry, I just use one kind they look at him man, she just get calm, everything about her.
You're wrong.
That's what I believe before, but
now, real men allow. Go tell you say let's be friends. The fake men with this side.
Nah, there's me no ethical they happen. Whether they bad, I know understand
though.
Say
I'm married. You go fair laugh. You go put laughing emoji.
No, me no call no charity they cause like that.
Yeah, this teacher
married woman. Once woman tell me say that time, once woman tell me say don't marry like this, I know you look at. I will look at her everything about and she don't already settle.
Abomination.
But me no call no. As some method they do, women go tell say they don't marry, they still continue to talk to her. I don't understand though.
Since 2016, now come on my mind for some married women. 2016, I still they remember the year I lost my elder brother. I go Nigeria, I go bury my brother. We go greet one of my uncle who still come from America. The hotel where he lodge for inside GRA. I see person when me do I should be follow with ma for inside to me pool for hotel. The keys. Since then, I just come on my mind for some married women. Not be all. The bad ones that they stay the good ones.
Only God can reward you. First prayer I want to pray.
But una see know say na the desperate ones na dey cause all this disgrace. So the desperate one, I want marry by force.
I want be a husband. I want be a wife.
Now the desperate one where you see woman where he knows say never ready, go use money, use juju, use everything.
Now you go marry the man.
Everything. Then by tomorrow you come to see where you go they fuck up now. Or use the hair till they look other people where be say they take their time, they marry.
When they
so
do this
one more that's like me now there are two ways that they always talk my own thing. Not be odd. Some women they are very desperate. I know
too
many
desperate,
women,
my sister.
They're desperate to marry. They
whether they give a word put.
They believe say marriage na achievement.
Na achievement.
They look you say now you can't spoil pass for this
correct woman.
You can't born out of wedlock. Now you just spoil pass.
The reason why they look person.
So now all those kind of women, so you know feel now the ones where they use money, where go they carry some money go
do marriage.
They'll carry money go do marriage. Now they go pay their bride price by themselves. By tomorrow
they'll buy the ring.
I bet many things there. I know this Europe marriage, my sister, me I don't know.
All these things, they read the happen.
Yes, now. I say they happen. I know of person where remember where go Nigeria. He carry money, he borrow money for Europe. Yeah, go Nigeria, go marry. What do you want to talk? I know of person where go be carry money for Europe. Yeah, go marry for Nigeria.
Woman.
Be no, man.
No.
Not be woman. They talk of woman.
They talk about woman. They say that
why not they happen? Not be the place so they play. They show you. So whether they happen.
No, I mean women we don't do after they don't date desperate, they shook their head, quick marry. Whether they after they don't date desperate, they see the error where they not see, where they not look.
Whether they really happen and now for
accelerates the process. It doesn't cause all this, but it makes it more visible.
You know when you rush enter marriage, you know look the man where you rush go carry money for bank do marriage. After I don't date sir, you couldn't see the ugliness, couldn't see the character where you don't know. You know you like a random person that you go rush marry. Tomorrow you go yes and now bonisa.
No gas married woman wey go the way married woman go find which way go flick me oh. Person like me oh. You know that make me the surprise for the men no.
You get pride, you get dignity, you get respect.
Because now the men, when the men me go blame pass I don't know. Cause I never see her the way the woman go find which once she tell me say she don't marry. I don't come for her body seriously because woman sit there say don't marry you see there no.
They want to some men they like that character that bad dubious.
Me don't see person wey talk say na married woman dey sweet pass but me no know I don't know why
you go they look your wife nyash and breast.
Like you say na married woman call it sweet or all those kind of issue. Wait till you go the friend
you know the rest of mind. When would they talk? When people full here, where princess? One man writer here, I mean mutant. Say na married women, I sweet pass oh. And I come quick mutant.
Hey, that man don't finish oh.
But he pay me, I know you go observe me, I go click go look who he be, so that more we all know. I may I screenshot the picture.
Not be this planet.
You go see sleep with your pikin no.
Yeah, why not? He profile picture like green. Like green.
Not be this planet the person.
Green, like green grass, like green profile picture.
Mama, I don't see person seriously talk and direct to. Young girl whenever
yes, married women, I speak past.
Young girl whenever is 40. Whenever is 40 years.
This person today go block.
It's that guy. one married of well no that one that is your first talk. He say na married women sweet pass. I could ask her wetin dey sweet for married women. He say they like wetin they dodgy they do.
They tell you no be person JJ no be my husband and wife come dey quarrel for this talk wey the woman come say I go comot, the man come say even though you comot you marry another man, if I see you I go say fuck you. You know you don't know.
You don't mean it. That was serious.
That one I see I just dey life he just a beat that girl that's it.
I tell now my experience. When I get belle, man approach me. It's up to the woman to respect herself. When that time me I get belle, man still approach me. As far as say you be woman, man must approach you. It doesn't matter whether you are married or whatever. You should respect that. It's up to you to have that dignity within yourself. So man can dip anything deepable. As far as say now who. Now waiting, I just want to be that. So any woman, any married woman will grieve for married man or whichever way. Me, I don't blame the man much. Now the woman open for her, I be points gone for her. So saying
that make me the beat this woman since morning.
Make her see yourself throw something for all those things. You know, when they talk about tradition, some people will say tradition not there again. You want to carry your tradition down. You want the form saying you smart pass. You understand? So like people like always say tradition are custom. All those still there. All those modern women, so what they see nowadays. Now the hotels are begging for this civilized world. Now they some just blessing and slave those kind of women, but they don't know say they do themselves. You all see man like this. The man will talk with you. You will laugh. You will say, man go tell my woman say, "Sir, you fine." You go dey laugh. You go say, "Thank you." Your first appearance as a woman, now you go show say yes, you spoil, because when you do yourself. Your first appearance as a married woman, the way you do, then you go show say yes, this woman you go accept. Because you don't fit tell married woman say you just find all this kind of issue, because they put it with the man. You come one day use that your contact for man. You say, oh, I wish I fit be your husband go get luck. I wish I fit be your husband now. The woman call a smile. As a real woman, will be traditional woman. Now once go knock at the door and say I be married woman. Oh. But so now what kind of form say being a civilized pass. So they all put the teeth with the man. Married woman, they don't want to prove at all. They say, I don't want to do this thing. The married woman say, I dey go club now. I say be babe, you will be married woman. You dey phone say me you see nothing where they happen. If na single mother they hungry you say marriage just tire you. Single mother is not a bad thing. Come out for the marriage, enter the single mother, tell your husband say this marriage just tire me. For you to do that marriage you go say wan see dey cheat. Single mother better pass many of those married women like that. As a married woman you suppose know your integrity, you suppose know you're proud, because even many men they talk and say na married woman dey sweet. They say that he did something. Number one, they'll say married woman no demand money. They'll say married woman no demand money. They'll tell say married woman will give money because their husband although it don't tire them. They also not be doing a test start before they need new something, because when they new start that time, when the man and the woman knew the friendship at that time, they do different styles. But when man don't to tell with two man, that thing not go to the sweet again. Your couple like say, now all something, now all those things they do before that year, they know they do it again. But new one when you see, the thing will they suit you, different style. Now they make many of those women see they put her, especially women will like material things. So women married woman you see man like this, where fine like this, where they used to chicken what? All the eye go just dead my body. We really look the man for up to so like this, because that fashion things, that all those things wey get right for time wey dey e don master e body. So women wey like fine boy, and some guys wey all those kind guys so na everlasting dey their body forever. No matter anyway, even though say don marry, once they see that man, they are go see dem on that man body. Na the truth be that one so. a good man woman dey respect herself. Na the respect go make man run for you.
Minister of Truth, that one still dream. He still dead for the men hand. Man wey dey find decent woman wey wan marry. Na their hand be that one. You see woman wey be so, because for me I know you don't fit use woman wey don see things for life, wey don he don see the good, the bad, the ugly for outside. He come decided to settle down. Tomorrow you come say one thing, one entice am make go outside. E no dey o. For my own opinion, e dey hard. Woman wey come keep himself wey say he na Mary Amaka. My guy, if you enter the marriage, you say wetin dey expect for the marriage, you know say he go dey outside, because that thing wey dey outside never see am. If you don see am, he go neat. Oh, leave all these married people. Marriage for Europe, I no understand how it be. Out of 100, I'm not sure say e reach 50% wey dey solid o. The rest na packaging. Na packaging o. We never even enter the marriage, so we all dey look am, we dey feel say God when e go pay our turn. My guy, we get peace of mind pass many wey dey inside o. They dey cry inside house, they dey cry. They don use child benefits, they pay us rent, they shop finish.
Wahala.
You don't see
my sister no be say like me.
Married woman, but now she go see they spend, now she go they pay the bills for the house.
My sister like me, I don't fit go husband house come. You understand? I be single. No be say I no need more. No be desperado. Because I know wetin dey inside. No be my mind, no be school way. No be school way. If you finish your course, you will graduate. They know they graduate for this one.
Okay.
You understand? Everlasting university.
You get now gallant touch now, Tomorrow now you can't decide to say, okay, fine, you want to settle down with one man. Wetin wan trigger you to take comot again?
I know say nothing dey outside again now.
Okay. Then you want to use person wey be say he never first see outside, you no know as that outside. He never shop that thing, that bitterness wey dey, never shop the sweetness wey dey. He come enter inside marriage with desperation, or maybe the one thing money go take marriage, they come take put am for house. Then you come dey expect say tomorrow that thing wey carry am enter that marriage, he no come dey see am tomorrow, may no comot. He dey run.
He go run.
He dey run till law.
He go think say things dey outside.
You wan go shop wetin dey outside, you wan go shop the barbecue wey dey. I don't know say the barbecue bone dey, you go shook your throat.
Wetin dey outside na just to go date, after date he go shook you bola.
Which club me dey talk am? You no get club wey dem wan do again for this life wey go motivate me say I must go club, because I don go the club, I don tire.
I don see 99.
I don marry before, I don see as e be. I know say I wan marry, I decided to say I wan marry today now. The man come do me one thing today, I'll say I want comot. No.
Go where?
I go nowhere, we die here together.
That make me just
because the man go decide say we want marry, na secret court you enter. We don't swear hold. We go you
my sister, that make me the select.
You die, comot I die, we die here together.
My sister, wait. That make me the select. My sister, wait. That make me the select. People they feel say I dey do younger. You know why they select? Now my last bus stop, now be that. So I need to choose her well. You understand? And my last bus stop, I want me we all together. A woman we don't reach 40 years.
See, you know, you see this kind, some kind things. Sometimes it gets some kind reason why they reason. I'll sit down. You see all those Oyibo we don't hold. We they go supermarket. Two of them go husband and wife.
They suit me,
They go hold theirself, they'll go to cafe bar, they'll hold theirself, they stroll, they go. That's why I want me my whole age be.
If they sweet me if I sit there.
See, I just want for this young age, I might be single, but by whole age, I might deal with man we go share.
We go see you, why not? You see man we don't see advance. We need woman we the same.
I need marriage where we go last, we will grow old together.
I dey tell you.
No, don't we not get control?
No, you know the most married men for here they like traditional.
My sister wait talk that one. Super mom, I bet wait.
Mama,
my sister wait talk that one say we no get control. Marriage, as you they control the man, I saw the man they connect that the both sides.
Some anybody men don't want to control them, but they want me to control you.
Anybody will not want control. You never ready for relationship.
The men must be control. Some men don't like control.
Like the way, some men don't need control.
You get why I talk because me
myself. Say now you be the man for the house. Why they control me? I don't feel move again.
No, you get why I talk. No, for that.
Some men don't need control.
For that man aspect and the woman aspect, don't they different? Say into maybe family stuff control join, you understand? But I know why me they talk my own. Me myself, I don't still go, I don't still come out. I don't be the issue. So hello.